Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will learn about the download method for z3x shell and installation of z3x box drivers. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to Google page, google.com. Then we need to search z3x support, or you can directly explore z3x-team.com/support_files. So here we are on that page. So we will scroll down and then files, then download shell. You can see also here softwares, available softwares, but you can download only via z3x shell. So to download z3x shell, we will click on download link. I will add this link to video description or in the lesson page. So here we will go to download, and if existing file is complete, it's mean existing file is complete, then it will open it. If not completed, then it will resume it. So okay, here we are here. So I have already downloaded this because of save time. So open folder and double click on it, then press OK. Next. Here you can change installation path for JTAG box software, or z3x shell software. I will install on default location. So next, system saying already exists, it's mean z3x folder is already exist. I will click on yes, then next, then untick create a quick launch icon, and then next, install. Then it's saying I will install drivers, so click on next, maybe launch. So here it is. I have already these installations, z3x Samsung Tool Pro. So I need to download drivers. Here I can click, and then box drivers, JTAG drivers. I need JTAG box drivers. Click on this link, and then here it is. Then right click on start menu, then open device manager, or if you need to show desktop icon, then right click on anywhere at empty space, then personalize, then themes, themes, desktop, then themes, then related setting, desktop icons. Here you can turn on, and I have already turned on. So I will right click on here and view showed desktop icons. Here it is. So now I will install these drivers, JTAG box drivers, and I will copy the path, driver path, copy. Then you can also launch device manager from right click on my computer or this PC shortcut, then properties, then device managers. If you see a JTAG box in other devices, then you can right click it, and if you are seeing this my box is at port 3, so if I remove, then it will be hidden. If I remove the box, then it will be hidden, and if I connect the box, then it will be available again, but we need Z3x drivers. Right click on it and then browse my computer for drivers. Then let me pick from a list. Then if you see here already available drivers, but if you can't see, have click on. If you are unable to see here, then click on have disk, then browse, then see program files, this is C drive. If you go to this PC, then C drive, then program files x86, then scroll down and z3x, then JTAG drivers, then v1, then x64 bit, because of my operating system is 64 bit, as you can see here. Press OK, select easy JTAG underscore x64, then press open, then click OK, then here it is easy JTAG control port, press next, and here it is, we have installed successfully. So this was the driver installation method.